Alright, this is Alexander Vera for CIS113 Week 8 for Instructor Ed Carthorne. This week we were to make food tables with ingredients, about four or five, and then try to join them through the ingredients. Right here I made four table. I made a bread table, made a bread table, a cake table, an omelet table, and a pancake table. And the one similar ingredient that they all had were eggs. Um, when I first thought about doing this, I thought about maybe putting the ingredients on a whole different table, and then trying to connect them all through the ingredients table. But when it came to searching for the proper ingredient, you couldn't put them all in one column. So let's say if I tried to match the index number, let's say the first ingredient is 1, and then it's egg, and then I went to my cake table, and then I had all my ingredients, the numbers match up to the index table or the ingredients table, and I put in 1, it would, find it, I could match it to that. But then if I had multiple numbers like 11 or 23 and I had 2 and 3, then at some point it would mix and match. So if I went to go search for just a 2, it would pull up also 23. So that idea went out the window. So I just did it the way I was asked, which was create the tables and do a full join. Do multiple joins, a left join, a right join, an inner join, and a full join. Here I pull up the text for the full join, and the way I did this was through kind of like the search with the like, and I matched up the ingredient because I put almost all the ingredients in the same column. Sorry, I don't know where we got cut off, but I put almost all the ingredients in the same column. So if I was to pull this up, and I had it set up like this. For the primary key was the bread number. I had the bread name, and then I had ingredients. Ingredients was what was the same in all of the table. The ingredient named column is what is the same right here, but all the ingredients, would be different. So through that, going back to where I was, I had to search through like this, because if I just put ingredients equals ingredients, it would never match up. So I had to do a search through each table like this for egg, and it would match up to that, and for milk, and then I would get the results right here. And what it basically did was it took, well, this is a full join, so from here, if I was to search for eggs, it would take, the first one through that column and match it up each one separately with this column. The key being the egg search, and it just did that, repeatedly, which I think there's a better way to do it, but I'm not exactly sure. I was working for this for a little bit and just trying to see what the best way was to match up the tables, and so yeah, I have the results. Let me pull this back up. You asked for like basically a dozen joins, so right here is 4 different types of joins. The only thing I could see difference with the joins that I've done, since I don't know how to maybe cut back on some unnecessary duplicate information, I guess, or something like that. It was just switching the searches from egg to milk to ham to sugar. So I counted that as one single join. I did 12 in total, 4 for left, 4 for right, 4 for inner, 4 for full, and that was basically it. So yeah, that was my week. I will be uploading the results. Not sure if I should upload the Genesis tables and the ingredients for all that. Not sure if you need all that, but I probably will anyways. So yeah, thank you.